make pumpkin soup. And happy Halloween, everybody. Let's make the soup. First, I have to open this. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, so nice. Finally, I got this. I'm gonna boil it, and pumpkin seeds, I'm gonna fry it later. So now boiled pumpkin soup. I put the carrot and broccoli in, and now I'm gonna put the chicken cube. This. I have cut onion and garlic, and I'm gonna fry it with butter. So I'm gonna put pepper and salt a bit in fried onion. The garlic and onion is done now. Then I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna put a bit salt. So the pumpkin soup is, I think it's done, but I have to mash this by this. Okay, so let's go. Okay, ready. Ready. So I'm gonna put a bit milk on it. So gonna taste it. Good, but need a bit salt. So very good. That's tasty. Okay, this is my pumpkin soup. It's done. Thank you everybody for watching this video. See you next video.